So today I will tell you how to make a YouTube logo just like me. So guys, you firstly need to open Pixellab. Okay, open Pixellab. Then if you are always editing, then this will show up. Click on cancel. Then double click on the text and write your channel's first name. For me, I will write Adi. Then make it bigger and go to the A center, then press on a font, then go to my font. I will give a link in the description of this Gilroy extra Gilroy font. Then make it bigger. Okay, then what do we need to do? Then we need to change the position. First you will have to click the second one, and then your second one in first line, then the second one in the second line. Then duplicate it and double click on it and add your last name on it and make it smaller as the size of the this your last word. It will stop at your last word. Make sure to do that. Then change its color to yellow. Okay, change its color. Then lock them so they don't move. Then press on shape and choose this shape, this ramp like shape. Then make it black and a little smaller, just like this. And then you have to go here on its setting and rotate it to minus 90. Then you have to copy it. Okay, it has been copied. Then delete that. I said did it wrong. You need to choose a square. Press on shape and choose a square and adjust it like this on the triangle type shape. Then press the little button on there and choose these and select the button next to tick. Then click OK and turn on erase color tolerance, make it up to 70. Then copy it and then you have to rotate it to 175% and then you take it and match it like this. Okay, match it like this. In now again merge these, press these two, press this and merge. Okay, it's now merged. Now you have to erase. No, I said erase, but you have to click on color and make it yellow as well. Okay, now you have to make it small, adjust it on top of your first name and squeeze it like this and make it small, so a little bit of big. Then match it with the A and lock it. Now merge these three all together. Okay, now go to crop. If you have any space left you can crop, but I don't, so I won't. So now you have to change take a shape and do it like this. Take a square, make it like this, get it up and do it on above that thing that we just made. Now go on color and no gradient. We'll make the center one full and the last one full, and choose the other one and make it full, and this one not full at the end. So swap it like this. Okay, then click OK. So it will give us effect like this. Then you go and make it to transparent. No, go and make it the color black. Okay, make it black, and then click on it and go to opacity, and take its opacity down to 25. Then so guys, it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.